Hindi mo naman kailangang magmadali upang mauna. Hindi mo rin kailangang mauna upang manalo ka. Hindi mo rin kailangang manalo para lang may mapatunayan ka. Sapat nang nagpapatuloy ka. At tandaan mong ang buhay ay hindi isang kompetensya. Darating ang para sa'yo. Always remember that God has a plan for you. Just trust the process. As the Bible says in Proverbs 3:5-6, trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not in your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him, and He shall direct your path.